I am Manjunath D from Mysuru. I have completed my BE in Civil Engineering. After completing my academics, I discussed with my parents to join for UPSC Civil Services coaching, and I first came to Bangalore to approach India4IAS, as I have heard about India4IAS from past 3 years about their rankings in final list, and I have made up my mind to join India4IAS. And as the infrastructure is the crucial role for a conductive teaching environment, I feel this is the right platform for the student to have a better facilities like AC with well-versed single chairs for comfortability. And as the teachers are very updated with present topics, and they are more interactive for the students, as the classes are long hours, I feel that I don't get tired or bored, as the teachers are always interactive and always they approach each and everyone for all the perfect aspects. And I think this is the right time, right age and right place for the aspirants to achieve their endeavors, and this is where India for IAS fulfill the aspiration of the aspirants. Thank you, India4IAS, for your supports.